Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Positive Vibes with Simran. In this video, I am gonna tell you how to make makeup primer at home. As we know, primer is an important part of our makeup routine which we usually apply prior to our makeup. So firstly, let me tell you why to apply this primer before doing makeup. Basically, the primer creates a certain sort of layer, or we can say a barrier between your skin and makeup. And it also helps in making our makeup to last longer. It also reduces the appearance of big pores from our face, like many people are having problems of big open pores, mainly in the T-zone area, especially in the nose area. So that appearance of big pores will shrunken in size after its application. And another thing is, this primer smooths our skin texture. This overall, we can say this primer makes our makeup to last longer. On the other hand, it also makes our skin looks more polished and even. So there are a lot of primers which are available in the market. But what problem I found about them is they are quite expensive. There are many cheap primer also available, but they are not of that much good quality. The good quality primers which actually reduces the pores appearance and makes our skin look more polished and even are usually expensive. Like I am having this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect primer. It cost me about 700 rupees. It's the only primer which I found the most cheapest one out of all the primers. I have used cheaper primer also, but I have not found them of good quality. So I am saying that why to spend so much money over such expensive primers if you can easily make them at your home and the quality will remain same. Believe me guys, I am using that homemade primer since a long time and I have not found any difference between them. So it's my request guys, please give it a try once. I am 100% sure you will not get disappointed. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video.
So the ingredients which we need to prepare our own DIY homemade makeup primer are moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. The next ingredient you need is aloe vera gel. If you want to make your primer SPF safe, then you can add sunscreen also. It's totally optional. The next ingredient you need is cornstarch or arrowroot powder, जिसे हम arrowroot भी बोलते हैं. And the last ingredient you need is any liquid foundation of your choice. So now let's start preparing it. So firstly, I will add 1 whole tablespoon of aloe vera gel into it. Let me clear you guys, you cannot use natural aloe vera gel here, as we have to store our primer for a long time and natural aloe vera gel cannot be stored for such a long time. So add processed one only. Now I will further add 1 tablespoon of moisturizer into it. Then next I will add foundation. You can use any liquid foundation of your choice. Here I am using Milani foundation. You can use as much quantity as you want according to your skin tone. Now to make my primer SPF safe, here I am adding 1 whole pump of sunscreen into it. Now at last we will add 1/4 tablespoon of cornstarch or arrowroot powder into it. Now start mixing all these ingredients well until it forms a homogeneous mixture. Observe it carefully guys. You need to prepare this consistency of your primer. Now it's completely ready to use. Now you can store it in a container and its shelf life is 1 month, so you can use it till 1 month. So now let me give you a demo how to use it before makeup. So after moisturizing your face, apply small dots of it and massage it well into your skin. Apply it properly in the T-zone area, especially on the nose and forehead area, because there only we face the more problem of open pores. After that you can do the further steps of your makeup. As you can see in this video how flawless my makeup is looking, as I have done it after applying this primer only.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. If you want me to make more such videos, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So till then, meet you next time. Take care. Bye bye.